Don't you think you need a little excitement in your life? Well, this electric blue 1972 Chevelle with a 502 crate motor, a 4-speed, custom brakes, custom Hotchkiss suspension, that'll give you a little excitement. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find the price tag on this one and 200 other classic cars, all for sale, and each one has a monthly payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. All right, it's got an actual cowl induction hood with the flapper door. This is all nice and straight, looks real nice. Stripes are painted on smooth to the touch. The blue metal flake paint is laid out nicely. It's got a little more texture on this. Maybe this is painted at a separate time or they didn't wet sand it. But overall, very nice. Fenders looking really good. No emblems, all smooth look, clean all the way down to the bottom. No rust, no damage. The roof looks real nice. It opens easily. Shuts real nicely. Clean all along the bottom. The car is straight. Bottom of the quarters are clean. All this is looking really nice. No rust, no damage. Stripes are smooth. You can barely feel them. They're under the clear. All this is nice. See, all the way down here is like a mirror reflection at the very bottom. All nice, clean. No wheel well moldings, no emblems. Shuts nicely. All looking really good. So the paint's beautiful. There's a little nick touched up or minor imperfection, I'm sure of it. But overall, it's a very, very nice paint job. And the color is striking. It's just an eye-popping blue with the white stripes. That's what everybody likes. The mirror looks new. All this stainless trim looks like it's been replaced. Windshield crystal clear. Has the hood pins as part of the cowl induction package. The bumper's re-chrome. The grille is obviously painted blue. Inside the bezels is blue. Same thing on there. So they spent a little time detailing out the front end with some blue. This mirror is replaced. So it has retro wheels with Hankook tires. And hear me say this all the time. I need to check the sizes before we start the video. They look like they're about 17s. Yeah, we'll go with that. I can't find it right now. Oh, bigger in back for sure. These are probably at least 18s back here. The rear window might have been replaced. That's really nice and clear. The moldings are real nice. Bumpers re-chromed. So a sharp looking car. Let's open it up, see how the interior measures up. Okay, I'm going to show you a good solid trunk. Underneath is painted blue nicely. Jambs are painted nicely. Weather strip is replaced. You can see inside is solid. All metal, all clean. Up to you to leave it this way or if you want to get a box it in or get a mat, but good solid trunk. Amplifier for the stereo. Yeah, that rear window is new. And the wheels, by the way, are 18s front and back. It's just the back are wider and the tire's a little fatter. Jambs are painted real nice. They're shiny. Weather strips and sill plates were replaced. Door panels look brand new and they're nice and straight. The armrests, the handles all look new. A nice looking dash, and it's because it's all been replaced. All of this, the whole instrument panel, the vents, the chrome is shiny. There's a reproduction tachometer, new speedometer, 696 miles on this build. Clock is ticking, so all the gauges are new. Vintage air electric slides for the heat and AC. Modern stereo, Bluetooth. This is the digital readout for the sniper fuel injection. Oh, the ashtray needs a new spring. Dash pad's new, and again, it all fits real nicely. Doesn't have the vents anymore, the pull handles, because of the whole new heat and AC system. Carpets are new, got Chevelle mats. The center console's all new, has a Hurst 4-speed sticking out of it. Pro Car sport seats, nice, comfortable, sporty seats that fit, or recline. The back seat's original type, but it is reupholstered. So you got seat belts for the whole family. The side panels, armrests, that's all been replaced. Has the mesh rear shelf, looks like some Alpine 6x9 speakers. And the headliner's been replaced. Visors look new, the mirror looks new. We got a nice cushion grip steering wheel. And there is a sound deadener underneath this carpet as well. .502 crate motor, that's a big boy. Has a factory aluminum intake on it with a, I believe it's a Sniper fuel injection. Yeah, it is Sniper. MSD ignition system. So as the crate motor valve covers, they're machined aluminum from GM Performance Parts. Does have some coated headers. It's all clean and tidy and routed nicely and painted nicely. Up front here, it's got new horns, a chrome cover on top of the aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. And then it has billet pulleys with the serpentine belt, chrome alternator, chrome power steering, polished AC compressor. Oh, here, remote oil filter. You don't have to climb under the car to change the oil. And it has these braided hoses running down to the engine. Plug wires are blue to match the car. That's cool. Willwood master cylinder, new power brake booster, new wiper motor. Under the hood is painted blue. That's a very nice engine compartment. Michael's going to go show you what a 502 can do.
Everybody, got a super cool Chevelle here, built 502 under the hood, said to be making like 600 horsepower, Muncie 4-speed, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fresh build too. Says 697 miles on the odometer. Really nice Holley Sniper fuel injection setup here. You can see the control for it right there on the dash. So you can make necessary adjustments if need be. Tilt column on this one too. Also does have the cowl induction hood. Let's see. All the gauges seem to be working. We're showing 13 volts on the charge. About an 850 RPM idle. Even the clock is ticking in this one. So yeah, let's see what she's got. Just like that up to highway speeds. Absolutely no issues there. Holy cow. Yeah, she's quick. Really quick, actually. Yeah, when they say built, they meant it. This thing is a serious performer. Honestly, to the point where I wasn't expecting it almost. Even though I just got done saying 600 horsepower, 502, it's kind of hit me sideways a little bit. I like it. See how it goes down the street. Nice and straight. Can't ask for much more than that. Nice solid clutch there, not too overbearing though. Great sounding exhaust here. Let's see if we can Just get a little taste of the exhaust real quick. See a little flapper going on. The cowl induction seems to be working the right way. So yeah, our shop went over this car top to bottom. We did have a very small bill of things that we fixed on it, like the backup lights and center console, things like that. Very minor stuff. Seeing that it's just a fresh build, we just did a couple, you know, little loose ends, tied up couple little loose ends on it. But if you need all the details on the service history, just go on our website, check it out. There's a full listing for it there, as well as all the details like how the underside's built, the engine, everything like that is going to be on the website, which is where I encourage you to go. Cars like this don't last very long around the museum, so you may consider pushing the buy it now button. That will go ahead and hold your place and give you right to the car, so nobody else can buy it out from underneath you. That's always an option. If you want to, you can come inspect it as well. We encourage it, and you are definitely welcome here. Just give us about 24 hours notice, so we can go ahead and get the car ready for you. But yeah, as I see it, it's a fantastic car, and someone's definitely going to love this one. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So underneath has some really nice improvements for handling and stopping. Has a Hotchkiss suspension package. Up front has lowering springs and gas shocks and tubular control arms, upgraded sway bar. Same thing in back. It's all new Hotchkiss trailing arms. They're boxed. Gas shocks, lowering springs. We got disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. New fuel system, new fuel lines, brake lines. Nice full exhaust system. A Dynamax mufflers goes all the way out the back with the correct tips. The floors are all done in semi-gloss to gloss black. The nice shiny finish on the floors are looking good. You look up at the motor, it has an extra capacity oil pan, and then it has a high torque starter. The 4-speed transmission is new. It's an auto gear. It's a reproduction of the Muncie 4-speed, so it looks just like a Muncie, but it says auto gear right on it, so that's new. And in back is a 12-bolt posi. So there's a lot being offered here. Good-looking car, 4-speed, 502 air. It's got the bling-bling, and nowhere near $100,000 like a lot of them are. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your driveway and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.